Hi students, hope you are doing your studies good. Well, this is introduction of social studies part 3, that is civics. So today we are going to study chapter number 1, that is diversity in India. Students, we all know that India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, having various types of food, celebrate different festivals, wear different dresses, practice different religions, worship at various religious centers. But actually, if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in different ways. India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. That is why diversity is our strength. India is also rich in heritage of temples, such as Kedarnath temple is located at northern India, that is Uttarakhand. Meenakshi temple is located at southern India, that is Tamil Nadu, as you have shown in the image. Now, students, we will talk about the languages. India has a diverse list of spoken languages among different states. A total of 22 languages are recognized by the Constitution of India, means these are the official languages of India. For example, Kashmiri is an official language of Jammu and Kashmir. Bodo is an official language of Assam. Punjabi is an official language of Punjab and Chandigarh. Marathi is an official language of Maharashtra. Odia is an official language of Orissa. Kannada is an official language of Karnataka. Now we will talk about the dresses of India. India is also rich in diversity of dresses in different states. For example, like in Punjab, women wear salwar kurta, men wear kurta pajama and turban. On the other hand, women wear mekhla chadar and men wear dhoti kurta in Assam, as you shown in the image. Similarly, in Manipur, costume for women includes a shawl called innapai, a fennec, and a wrap skirt called sarong, and men wears a dhoti. Whereas in Jammu and Kashmir, Firan is the most popular form of dress among both men and women with turban and colored scarf. Now we will talk about the different food of India. Students, Indian food is famous all over the world for its spices. Like in Punjab, the famous food is sarson ka saag, makke di roti. In Rajasthan, besan curry, dal bati churma. In northern India, chola bhatura is a famous dish, whereas dosa and sambar and coconut chutney is famous in southern India. Similarly, different states have their food specialty, like litti choka is famous dish of Bihar, and typical Naga dinner table consists of meat dish. Now we will talk about the dance forms of India. Let's talk about the Indian classical dance form. For example, Bharatnatyam is a famous dance of Tamil Nadu. It reveals the expression of mythical stories. And Kuchipudi is a famous dance of Andhra Pradesh and was only performed by the men's. And women wear a sari to perform it. Kathakali is a famous dance of Kerala which is usually done in theatre play style, as you shown in the image. Bhangra is a folk religious dance of Punjab. It is performed frequently with raised arms. Now we will talk about the famous festivals celebrated in India. India is a country of dynamic culture, and every Indian celebrates many festivals wholeheartedly throughout the year. As, for example, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in Maharashtra on the occasion of God Ganesha's birthday. Eid is a famous festival of Muslims. On this day, people wear new clothes and greet each other Eid Mubarak. Baisakhi, it is a harvest festival of Punjab and also as a new year of Sikhism. Now, some vibrant and glorious festivals of India like Durga Puja, Holi, Diwali, which is a festival of lights. Now, unity in diversity. What is unity in diversity? At the end of the chapter, students, you are going to learn that India is a land of unity in diversity. Because during the British rule, when men and women from different castes came together to oppose them, and that time India got freedom due to unity. It was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe the country. So, my question is, what do you mean by unity in diversity? Hope you like the lesson. Stay safe. God bless you all. So, this is complete lesson. Thank you.